Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to create your own Flash token in EVM network using USDT erc20 as an example. First of all, you need to copy the code from the link in the description. For create, you will need at least 0.04 ETH, but with this investment we can craft about 7,000 USDT. Open remix.ethereum.org. Create a new project and name it USDT-Sol. Next, paste into it the code you find in the description. Now go to the Solidity compiler and select version 0.6.6 plus. After that, go to the Deploy Run Transactions section. Here, select Wallet Connect and connect your wallet. In the token name field, enter Tether and USDT and click Transact to deploy the smart contract. In the max fee field, specify a value of 11. To successfully create a smart contract, you will also need ETH in your wallet to cover the gas. Deposit the smart contract with an amount greater than 0.3 ETH. Keep in mind that by withdrawing tokens from the smart contract in the future, you may lose liquidity. Once the balance is displayed, click Start and confirm the transaction. Don't forget to set the max fee value to 11. Then click Withdraw and sign the transaction again. Make sure you have $40-50 in your wallet to cover the gas for 3 actions on the blockchain. Wait for a few minutes and you will see USDT ERC20 in your wallet.